It doesn't happen with a fight. It happens with a whisper, the slow, silent drift. You go from being each other's favorite person to just two people who share a home, a bed, a life, but not a connection. You feel more like roommates than partners. But what if I told you there was one simple thing you could do every night, just 10 minutes, that could reverse the drift and bring you back together? We often think saving a relationship requires a vacation or a major overhaul. But psychologists point to something simpler: rituals, specifically how you end your day together. The last interaction you have sets the emotional tone for the night and influences the next day. This one ritual is designed to become an anchor of connection. The ritual is called closing the day. It takes about 10 minutes and has 4 parts. Remember, the acronym C.L.O.S.E is for connect physically. Before you say a word, find a point of physical connection. Hold hands, touch knees, or simply put a hand on the other's arm. This isn't about initiating sex. It's about non-demanding touch. It triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and signals safety before a single word is spoken. L is for look back and share. This is the core. You each answer 2 questions. First, what was one high from your day? This invites positivity. Second, what was one low or challenge? This invites vulnerability and support. The key is active listening, no problem solving, just empathizing. O is for offer appreciation. Share one specific thing you appreciated about your partner that day. It could be something they did. Thank you for doing the school run, or a quality they showed. I appreciated your patience with me when I was stressed. This directly feeds the magic ratio of positivity. S is for set tomorrow's intention. This is the final step. It's a forward-looking question. Is there anything we should know about each other's tomorrow? It's not a full schedule review. It's a simple check-in. I have a big presentation at 10, so I might be quiet in the morning. This builds a sense of being a team facing the world together. Here's the secret. This ritual will feel awkward the first time. You might miss a night. You might have a night where you're too tired and just grunt good night. That's okay. The power isn't in perfect execution. It's in the consistent intention to connect. It's about choosing to turn towards each other again and again. This ritual does one profound thing. It reclaims the space between you. It transforms your bed from just a place to sleep into a sanctuary for your relationship. It becomes a daily reminder of why you chose each other in the first place. Will you try the close ritual tonight? Tell me I'm in the comments below. For a free printable guide and checklist for this nightly ritual, the link is in the description. If you're ready to rebuild connection one night at a time, subscribe to this channel. Here's to closing the day together.